Hi, and welcome to today's episode of Coffee with CREN. I'm Lauren, and today we're going to be going over the hot sheet in Paragon Connect. Let's get into it. Cheers! When you are in Paragon Connect, you will be going over to this hamburger menu and click on Properties. When you're in Properties, you will see that the hot sheet is right up here. Click on the hot sheet, and you will have to adjust the date. So we'll just go with 04, 01, 2026 to, we'll just go 04, 24, 2026. And then from here, you can select if you want to see all new listings, any price changes, or anything else. You can also go down here and you can enter specific criterias and then just press search, and it will bring up all of those new listings, and it will tell you right here on the side what it is. You can also go back and you can save specific hot sheet searches by clicking this, and we'll just call it new. You can set a hot sheet alert to send to you. Press save. You can also customize how everything is displayed by simply clicking and dragging. And then you'll see up down here it says update, but I want it to be how it is, but that's how you would customize where everything is. You can see your hot sheet searches. You could go back to your default hot sheet. You can rename it. Here you can copy it and I guess send it over to someone. You could also search just by days back. So if you want to see, for example, like 10 days back, any price changes, in search, you'll see all of the price changes within the last 10 days. And you'll see it gives you a little description on some of them. You can also go from your last run day. When you are in Paragon Connect, you will be going over to this hamburger menu and click on Properties. When you're in Properties, you will see that the hot sheet is right up here. Click on the hot sheet, and you will have to adjust the date. So we'll just go with 04, 01,